everyone, and welcome to Lesson 4 of Persian Grammar in Persian Campus. Today, we'll work on the simplest type of verb in Persian, which is to-be verbs. Like many other languages, to-be verbs can be either main verbs or auxiliary verbs in Persian. They are different in the present and past tense. The infinitive form is budan. However, some scholars believe budan is only the infinitive for the past tense, not the present tense. And for the present tense, the language uses the infinitive hastam. As a linguist, I follow the first path and won't enter this argument. What is important is that you would be able to use these verbs correctly. In this lesson, we focus only on the present tense of the verb, budan. Besides, you see more Persian orthography from now on. So, let's start. Hastam for first person singular. You see, we have the شناسه am from lesson 3 at the end of the verb. For example, من معلم هستم. I am a teacher. There is another form to mean I am, and that is using the clitic am. Clitics are more informal. They are not the short forms of Hastam, and they are not شناسه. They are small forms very similar to شناسه, but they can be the verb of a sentence to mean to be. See this example. من معلمم. Even smaller. معلمم. All mean I am a teacher. Here, am is not a شناسه anymore. It is the clitic to mean hastam. For second person singular, hasti means you are. For instance, تو دکتر هستی. You are a doctor. The clitic form is e. I know you might say that the clitics are the same as شناسه, but don't forget, شناسه cannot be the verb of the sentences. So the above sentence with the clitic for second person singular would be تو دکتری. Or we can always remove the pronoun دکتری. Hast is the to be form for third person singular in present tense. اون دانش آموز هست. She or he is a student. The clitic form is e. اون دانش آموزه. Or دانش آموزه. So let's review. هستم, I am. هستی, you are. هست, she or he is. Their clitics are am, e, e. Now let's continue with the plurals. هستیم, we are. See the sentence? ما خوب هستیم. We are fine. The clitic is ایم. ما خوبیم. Or خوبیم. second person plural is هستید or هستین. شما خوششانس هستین. You are lucky. Its clitic is eid or این. شما خوششانسین or خوششانسین. Third person plural is هستند or هستن. آدمای خوبی هستن. They are good people. Its clitic is and that we usually drop the. آدمای خوبیان. Now let's have a look at the whole lesson. First, the to be verb from budan or hastan in present tense. Hastam, hasti, hast. Hastim, hastid, هستند. Now the clitics. Am, ای، ای. Im, ید, and. Do you want to see a real Persian text and find these verbs in it? Let's do this. سلام بچه ها. من راد هستم. اسم تو چیه؟ من حنا هستم. و این نیتین هست. نیتین، تو هندی؟ نه، پاکستانیم. اون دوستامون هندیان. So, see, we can apply this structure to introduce ourselves and talk about our nationality. من سپیدم. من ایرانیم. شما چی؟ What about you? Answer this question in the comments. Okay, that was all for lesson 4. Wait for lesson 5, the past forms of to be verbs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel or visit our website persiancampus.com for more videos, songs, podcasts, and many other lessons. Bye!